Hi! In front of me is Cat S42 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour and when you're done, choose OK. Then click on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays only. And now click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. After that, click on label your alarm however you want to and tap OK. Then click on this bell icon over here, click dismiss and tap on add new if you want to add your own song as your alarm sound by clicking add the chosen one and going back. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I will just go back and pick one of these melodies as my alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. When you're done, click on this icon at the bottom right corner and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!